please watch this video if you're thinking of doing affiliate marketing in 2025, because it will save you so much time and frustration when you're just getting started. Let me guess, you've watched about 50 affiliate marketing YouTube tutorials by now, and they all make it sound ridiculously easy, right? Just build a website, create some content, send some emails, and boom, you're making money online. But that's not exactly right? I remember sitting exactly where you are right now, watching video after video, feeling completely overwhelmed by how much time it actually takes to get started with affiliate marketing. The problem is, most tutorials never mention the weeks of late nights you'll spend figuring out how to set everything up manually yourself. You need a website, you need to create content to post on social media, you need to know how to write email sequences. All of these things can take hours or days when you're doing it all yourself. But here's the thing, it's 2025 and we finally have something those outdated tutorials don't talk about. What is it? AI tools that can now do 90% of the heavy lifting for you. I'm an affiliate marketer myself who started with absolutely nothing, with no experience just like you. But with a lot of time and testing, I created multiple six-figure affiliate partnerships with multiple different brands. But when I started, AI didn't exist, so I had to do everything manually. So over the last few months, I've been working on a new AI affiliate marketing strategy that speeds up my process by 80 to 90%, so I can do just as much work in a fraction of the time. Now, brands come to me asking me to be one of their affiliates because my strategy just works. But I'm not trying to sell you some get-rich-quick strategy. What I'm about to show you can make things easier for you, but it will require you to learn something new and actually apply it. So in the next 15 minutes or less, I'm going to show you 3 AI tools from my strategy that I recently discovered that I wish existed when I first started, because these tools will save you so much time and unnecessary frustration when you're setting up your own affiliate marketing brand. I even created a free video checklist that you can download to follow along that includes step-by-step instructions and all of my AI prompts that you can copy and paste. So if you're serious about starting an affiliate marketing business in 2025 that's powered by AI, let me know down in the comments. And don't forget to save this video for later, just in case you need to come back to it. Now, let's get started. So by now, I'm assuming we all know the basics of what affiliate marketing is and why it's still one of the most popular online businesses or side hustles to start in 2025. If not, the reason why it's so appealing to beginners and why it remains one of the top side hustles in 2025 is because you don't need to create any products yourself. You don't need to ship any products to any customers, and you don't have to do any customer service. All you're responsible for is sending people or traffic to another business's website, and then you earn a commission every time those people buy something through your affiliate link. The other business handles everything else. But what I didn't realize when I first started, and what most beginners also didn't realize, is if you actually want to succeed with affiliate marketing, you can't just add your affiliate link to the top of your social media account and hope for the best. If you actually want to make money online with your new affiliate marketing business, you need 3 main things. First is a website or funnel. Second is a way to tell people about your affiliate links. Typically, you do that by creating content on social media, blogs, YouTube, Pinterest, or other platforms. And third, a way to follow up with people after they click on your affiliate links. You usually do this by writing emails, DMs, or text message sequences. All 3 of these things can take a lot of time to set up if you have no idea what you're doing and if you've never done anything like this before. The good news is, there are now AI tools that can do each one of these tasks for you in a fraction of the time it used to take doing it manually. So let's check the first item off our list. And let me show you an AI tool that can create our first affiliate website for you in just a few clicks, because this is typically the most time-consuming task that you need to do when you're first getting started. Now, there's lots of different platforms out there that you can use to build a website, and more AI website builders are coming onto the market every single month. I've tested many of these apps myself, and the problem that I ran into is that most of them are not as easy to use as they seem at first, or they cost a lot of money to access, or they created a website, but then you had to pay extra to host it somewhere. So I looked for an app that hit the sweet spot between ease of use and affordability, and the winner was Hostinger. Hostinger is typically known as being one of the most affordable web hosting platforms out there right now. But what most people don't know is that they also have amazing AI tools to help you build your business in just a few clicks. And one of those tools is an AI website builder. Here you can see one of my own websites that I created using the Hdstinger AI website builder. It even includes an affiliate blog with the actual blog post written for me. And instead of it taking days to build all of this manually, this website literally took me less than 10 minutes to create. And believe it or not, I created this whole website with just 2 simple text prompts. Now, I know you guys like to see proof, so let me show you how I did this with Hdstinger's AI website builder in less than 5 minutes. If you want to follow along with me in this tutorial, you can access Hdstinger by tapping the link down below, or it's included in my video checklist that you can download for free. I've also created multiple other full tutorials on my channel that show you how to build an entire website using Hdstinger AI. But essentially, all you need to do is create your account by choosing the business plan. This is important because the business plan gives you access to all of the AI tools you need to build your brand. It also gives you a free domain, 3 months free, and a free email account, which you also need to start your affiliate marketing brand. So it's really a win-win. I'm also going to share my personal discount code down below, where you can get an extra 10% off if you choose to use Hdstinger after watching this tutorial. Next, watch closely because it literally only takes a couple of minutes to build your entire website using Hdstinger AI. From inside your account, click on Websites, then the Add Website button, and then select the AI website builder. Next, all you have to do is enter your brand name and a description, also known as an AI prompt, describing what type of website you want Hdstinger AI to build for you. Now, a quick pro tip. To get Hdstinger AI to create the best website for you, you need to be as descriptive or detailed as possible with your prompt. For example, if you want an affiliate blog website within the fitness niche, which I'm using as an example here, make sure you type that in your prompt. Also give any additional details that you want Hdstinger AI to include. But if you're not sure how to write your own prompt, I added my prompt that I used for this video in the checklist. You can copy and paste it directly from there. Then, once you hit submit, you'll see in just a few seconds, Hdstinger AI will create a really great website for you that includes a landing page, images, sections that you can use to add your affiliate links to. It can even create and write an affiliate blog, including the actual blog post for you if that's how you want to promote your affiliate products. And if there's anything that you want to change or add to your website, you can use the editor and you can see everything is drag and drop. Now, I know I went through this quickly, but like I mentioned earlier, if you want to check out any of my other full Hdstinger tutorials, you can find them over on my channel. And really, I just wanted to show you how with the help of AI tools, you don't have to spend days or weeks setting up your first affiliate website. So if we look back at the 3 things you need to start your affiliate marketing business, you can check website off the list. And we can move on to the next item, which is content. Now, there's lots of different types of content you can create to promote your affiliate links. Social media posts, articles and blogs, but there's no question that short-form video content is the clear winner when it comes to getting views and convincing people to click on your links. The problem is, creating engaging videos that grab people's attention can be really time-consuming if you're not already a video editor, or at least it used to be if you were doing it all manually. And it's especially time-consuming if you need to post multiple posts per day. But check out this video you see on my screen right here. Would you believe me if I told you I created this video entirely with AI? And not only that, I did it in just a few minutes with just 1 text prompt. Let me show you what I mean. But first, if you're liking this video, please do me a favor and give it a like and let me know in the comments. I like getting feedback on my videos to know what you like so I can continue making the best content for you. And if you have any suggestions on what tutorials you'd like me to make next, let me know in the comments as well. But to continue on with this tutorial, the app I used to create this video you see right here is called InVideo AI. And yes, there are lots of different AI video generators out there right now. But why I use InVideo and one of the features I love most about this app is it allows you to create videos specifically for social media. And it's the only AI video app out there right now that allows you to create complete full-length videos using generative AI by just typing in simple text prompts. If you want to test out InVideo AI yourself, there's a link down below and also in my video checklist. You can also get extra video generation credits in the first month by using my personal discount code. But let me show you exactly how I created this video. From inside your InVideo account, make sure you turn on the beta features from your account settings. Next, by clicking here, you can ask InVideo to create an AI TikTok, Reel, or Shorts video for you. Just give it a simple text prompt with your video topic. You can be as detailed as you like here. Next, choose whether you want to use AI-generated video clips using the new version 3 update or stock videos. And you can choose to add other options like music, select the language, the type of voice or accent, whether you want subtitles, and then when you click submit, InVideo AI gets to work and in just a few minutes creates a video like the one you see right here.
I can't believe I'm about to show you the most amazing European destinations for 2025. As we soar above the clouds, I get butterflies just...
And if there's anything you want to change about the video, InVideo also has a simple text-based editor that you can use to make changes just by typing in this box. Here you can see I'm asking the AI to change the language from English to Spanish, which it does in just a few seconds.
No puedo creer que esté a punto de mostraros los destinos europeos más increíbles para 2025.
Or you can use the full editor by clicking right here to add some of your own clips if you want to show your face in your video as well. Once you're happy with your video, you can download it by clicking right here, and then post it to TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, or any social media platform that you like. And one of the best things about InVideo AI is that you can try it completely for free, which can save you hundreds of dollars that you would otherwise spend on editing, animating, and other video production costs. Then all you have to do is repeat the process to create unique short-form video content for your own brand. This was just a quick tutorial on how you can use InVideo AI to create social media content. But like I mentioned before, if you want to test out any of these apps within your affiliate marketing business, they're all linked in my video checklist. So we can now check off the second item from our list and move on to number 3, which is to create a follow-up sequence of emails, DMs, or text messages. Now, writing an effective email marketing sequence from scratch is definitely not a beginner's task. If you want to do this yourself, it will take experience and a lot of time to write engaging emails and DMs that actually sell. But again, with the help of the right AI tool, you can create perfect, high-converting emails, DMs, and texts in just seconds. But only if you know how to prompt the AI correctly. The AI tool we're using for this last task is called Claude AI. Again, the link to this tool is in my video checklist if you want to follow along with this tutorial. Now, I know a lot of you probably thought I was going to say ChatGPT, but to be honest, ChatGPT is not even close to being the best AI app for writing marketing copy. Claude sounds more realistic than ChatGPT and is just better overall at writing emails. Here on my screen, you can see an entire 5-email sequence that I got Claude AI to write for me in just a few seconds with a couple specific prompts. I included those exact prompts in my video checklist that you can copy and paste so you don't have to worry about writing your own prompts yourself. Or if you want to learn how to create perfect AI prompts of your own, I also have an AI prompt engineering guide that you can purchase as well. But to show you how this works, on my screen you can see I'm giving Claude AI the first text prompt. Here I'm giving it details like my niche, my audience, and what my affiliate product is. If you want to pause the tutorial to see what else it says, feel free to do so right now. Or just copy and paste the prompt from the checklist. Then when you click submit, it will create a summary of my brand and my affiliate product. Read it over, and if everything looks good, you're going to enter this second prompt giving instructions on the type of emails you would like Claude AI to write for you, including the tone of voice, that you want to include an affiliate link, and how long you want each email to be. Also, don't forget to include how many emails you want written for this sequence. Then once you submit that prompt, Claude AI will create perfect email sequence for you in just a few seconds. As I scroll, you can read what it wrote and verify that I'm not making this up. And again, you can test this out by copying my exact prompts to see for yourself, if you don't believe me. Just make sure you change the niche and product part of the prompt to match your brand. You can then copy and paste these emails into whichever autoresponder you personally like best. So with this, you can see there's no need to spend days or weeks trying to write the perfect email sequence because Claude AI can do almost everything for you. Now, of course, you always want to double check everything that AI creates for you, whether it's text, a website, or video content like I showed you earlier. Because the truth is, although AI is a very helpful tool and can speed up your manual tasks, it's not perfect. So to protect your brand's credibility and trust, you want to make sure you verify everything that you create using AI tools. And if there's an AI tool that you love that I didn't mention in this tutorial, let me know in the comments. I love learning about new AI tools, and maybe I'll share your favorite in my next video. Now, what I showed you in this video is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to automating your affiliate marketing business with AI. I've been spending the last few months testing as many AI apps as I can, with the goal of automating my affiliate marketing business business as much as possible. You might be surprised to learn that I've been able to streamline almost 80% of my business using AI tools and automations. And because I get so many DMs asking for help with this strategy, I decided to put everything I learned together in an easy-to-follow digital course for anyone who's interested in learning how to use AI to streamline their affiliate marketing business too. It's not quite ready yet, but if you're interested in learning my newest affiliate marketing strategy, there's a link down in the description to join the waitlist. Of course, I'll never stop posting simple, free tutorials here on my channel. But if you're ready to take things a step further and want more in-depth strategies that can help you automate your business, there's a link in the description to join the waitlist and get access to my course before everyone else.